Hello, I am Erica Rusi Peterson with SpeakMethod.com. This lesson is on American T sounds, especially how T becomes a D when it comes between vowel sounds. And this is standard American, not informal. Let's practice by repeating the word list. You will notice that we even use this rule in short phrases. Repeat. About a, at a, beauty, better, bottle, but I, city, eat a, get a, gotta, great idea, hot afternoon, it is, letter, lettuce, lighta, little, lotta, lot of, notice, out of, pattern, put a, quarter, that a, wait a, water, what a, what I, write a, yet a, yet I, computer, Saturday, university, 30, 40, 70, 80, 90. Okay, that completes the word list. With this list, it's also helpful to think of longer phrases you might actually use. Instead of just practicing at a, you might say at a meeting. Or instead of just get a, you could say get a sandwich. Okay, that completes this lesson on T as a D sound. Learn all the rules of the letter T at www.speakmethod.com. Thanks. Bye-bye.